Hello everyone, my name is Vedran, like you know, and today in this episode I will show to you the danger of the jungle rivers, how they are unpredictable, and if you need to cross to the other side, what you need to have to do. Okay, stay tuned and watch this video. First of all, if you need to cross the river, you need to choose the best spot for that. Over here it's very rocky with rapids. It's not a good idea. You go a little bit down and you will see here it's a little bit like calmer, and this part is narrow. But this part is not good because when you cross the river, it's a steep jungle. What you gonna do there? So you need to continue to walk until you can find the better place to cross the river. This part of the river is okay. It's narrow, no rapids. I suppose it's not deep, and in that case it's good to cross over. But look at the jungle on the other side. It's a steep jungle. And that terrain will consume your energy very fast. You need to machete, and you need to cut a lot of vegetations to climb. So you need to be patient and find a better place to cross over. Okay, let's find out. What you need to do, everything you have, you need to put in the backpack. Inside the backpack, the things that you have lower than your waist, put in the backpack, keep them dry, and put them on the shoulders or highest position, head, shoulders, or back. You cannot put nothing below the waist. So everything inside the backpack, and you can start walking through the river. Okay, but be careful. River, small river, mountain river, jungle river behind me doesn't have a name. I don't know the name. I think the local people around here they didn't give the name to this river. But that's not important. Important is that I was here a couple days ago, maybe two days ago, and the river was totally different. It was bright, clear water, You could see the bottom, you could see the rocks on the bottom, you could walk easily because it was shallow. But right now, like you can see, it's totally different color, different velocity, because right now it's running fast, get some rapids, it's like a flooded river with different color, muddy river. You cannot see nothing what is on the bottom, and this kind of conditions you need to be aware. You need to put your safety mode on, because why I'm saying this, if you need to cross this river, if you need to walk alongside, you need to be careful, because you cannot see what is on the bottom. If you step on something sharp, or if you broke your ankle or leg, you're finished. Because in this type of environment, those kind of mistakes you cannot do. Okay? Right now I'm gonna show you some techniques that's gonna help you. Like you can see, I choose this part which is flat, that I'm able to walk alongside the river. I didn't want to choose over there because it was very steep, and with waste of the energy, my chances to get out of this jungle is lower. So always be aware of the environment and take the benefits of the situation. Okay? Look. So I chose this part, then I can go alongside the river. That's it. I need to say a couple of more things. After the military service, I started working like a rafting guide all over the world on the good, technical, powerful rivers. So, to be a good rafting guide, you need to learn some things. So what I did some classes, not classes, just like courses. Swift Water Rescue 1, 2, 3, Wilderness First Responder, First Aid and stuff like that. What I'm saying everything from my experience. So when you're crossing the river, you need to find the most calm part, most shallow part. And why? Because the deeper water makes crossing more difficult. You need to fight against the current, you need to fight against the rapids, and most of the time, if the water is above your knees, most of the time you will lose your balance and you will end up in the water. If that happens, inside the rapids, do not try to stand up. Forget it. Don't try to stand up inside the rapids. Why? Because when you step on the floor, it's very, very possible that your ankle, your foot gets stuck between the rocks. If that happens, bye-bye. You're gone. So be patient. Don't get into panic. Try to swim. I did two courses, different courses, and two different courses they told me different things. First course they told me that you need to be like this, downstream, first your legs facing the obstacles and trying to push yourself away of the obstacles with your foot. Second course, what I did, they told me, no, you go face first and you need to swim very aggressively to avoid the obstacles. I tried both things. So what can I say from my experience? The first one, when you foot in front of you, down street, it's good, it's better way for a medium danger rapids, like class 3 rapids. But if you are in the water, on the class 4 and 5, dangerous rapids, very fast water, you need to swim very aggressively with face forward. So, you need to learn the classes of the river to know that. But if you don't know, you have your eyes, you know the difference between the medium danger and very dangerous. But anyway, don't try to stand up inside. Don't try to stand up when you are inside the rapids. Forget about that, okay? If you come on the shore of the wide river, like this one behind me, there is a golden rule how to cross the river. Do not cross. Do not attempt. Forget about that. You need to stay on this side of the river, walk alongside, be patient, be patient. Maybe with days, if it doesn't rain, the river will go down. It's very normal and common for the rivers, for the jungle rivers. But remember one thing, do not try to cross over, because it's a suicide. Don't do that. Stay where you are, be patient, try to find better place, or wait for the better conditions, because this condition doesn't work. Simply, it's not crossable. You will not cross, for sure. You will try to swim, and the river is too strong. The river will take you away and drown you eventually. Do not try that, okay? I will tell you one more golden rule. This type of water, running water, do not try to cross over. That's it. That's it. That's it for this video. We're done. The river behind me is very loud, very strong, needs to be respected. Vedran Bađun Adventures, free life, free spirit channel. Please, if you like, give me your like, your thumbs up, give me your subscribe, press the ring button to have notifications for the future videos. Share my videos, please. On that way, you are supporting this channel. You are supporting my work. I'm lucky because I live here in the jungle, so I'm able to film this to you. A lot of guys in this crazy situation, they are not able to travel outside of the country. But I'm the lucky one. So please, please support my work with those simple things. Thank you very much. Free Life, Free Spirit channel. Vedran Bađun Adventures.